Here we are, we locked down in different cities.
Hi beautiful people, my name is Caroline Wamboy and welcome back to this amazing channel. So today I've decided to do a laundry motivation video and a bathroom deep clean. So stick to the end and just pick some motivation to clean up your space and to clean up your clothes too.
Many miles, we pretend that time didn't pass us by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in this same sky when I'm on the other side.
Nowadays, I just clean every day because of my daughter's uniform. We just have 2 sweaters and I think I'll have to buy another one so that I can at least skip one day. The only day that I don't clean maybe is on Sunday, but sometimes I do it in the afternoon. Yeah, so cleaning has become a daily routine in this house. Yeah. Maybe you can comment down below how often do you do your laundry? Do you do it daily? Do you do it weekly? Or how exactly do you do? And especially for those with school going children.
Passes by when we're on Mulholland Drive. I know it won't be long before dawn, gotta be patient for a while. Someday we'll look at stars in the same sky when I'm on the other side.
Allow me to take this chance to just welcome all the new subscribers. Karibuni sana. In this channel, we love visitors. And I usually upload my videos on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. On Tuesday and Thursday, I normally upload at exactly 2 p.m. in form of premieres. And on Sunday, I usually upload my video at 2:30 p.m. In this channel, we usually do a lot of cleaning, homemaking, a little bit of cooking and everything around, because for us, anything around us turns out to be content. So you're going to just find a mixture of content here, but at least everything just revolves around home. So karibu sana and feel at home. The other group of people I want to thank is my Premier Gang. Thank you for always finding the time to just come support my content. May God bless you and your channels.
Connection is disconnecting from the source within. There were parts of my core, senseless and frozen, wisdom hidden, locked up in my soul. Oh, now it's the time to realign, reconnecting my foundation, reunite. Oh, I'm digging, got my feet on solid ground. No more levitation.
also cleaned up my baby's beddings, and these are specifically her blankets. Yeah, one of the blankets is that one that is usually in the bed in the living room. Then the white one, I usually use it for her baby coat. Yeah, so you can comment down below, how often do you clean your baby's blankets? Do you wait for a week, bi-weekly, monthly, or how do you exactly do it? For me, I normally change her beddings weekly. Not exactly the bed sheet. The bed sheet I can do it daily or after 2 days, but for the blankets I must clean them weekly, because just to remove the sweat. Yeah, because they are not usually dirty. I just usually clean them to remove the sweat.
Disconnecting from the source within. There were parts of my core, senseless and frozen. Wisdom hidden, locked up in my soul.
This was later on. I had to clean some clothes off camera. I was done. So here I'm just trying to to show you how dirty the bathroom is. I think it didn't capture clearly. So I'll just go straight ahead and clean it before I can go and hang the clothes. So I'm just going to give it a deep clean, but I think I didn't do it satisfactorily how I normally love to do it, because I was running out of time. But at least I did something, and I cleaned off the few areas I wanted to. I started by removing all the items that I usually store in the storage containers, and let me tell you something, they were very dirty. I normally wipe them like every Saturday, but it has been very dusty lately, and there is a window that is usually at the bathroom that usually gets in dirt in the bathroom. So I'm going to wipe all of them, or rather I will soak them in water and just clean them thoroughly. Yeah, then I will go straight ahead to clean the walls. I will also take care of the floor. I will also take care of the toilet. I think the thing I left out is the bathroom door. That's why I say I didn't do it as I normally love doing it. Yeah, I was left to do the door, but be sure I cleaned it the following day.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams.
So I started off with the walls, and I'm using a scotch, or what do we call it? That's a thing of scrubbing, and I am using soapy water. Then I'm going to rinse it up with just clean water. So I will just clean the whole spaces, even that one that I usually put the storage containers, the window area, with this water. Then I will later on just rinse with very clean water.
I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, know I'll find you in my dreams. I'll find you in my walking in the distance. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality.
I wiped off the excess water with this piece of cloth because I wanted it to dry faster, and because I wanted to just put in everything back before night because I was cleaning up in the evening. One of the forgotten items are the soap dishes, and especially for those people who don't have the installed ones at the wall. So here I'm cleaning them up because I really hate my soap dishes with some stuck soap. They just look weird, and I was trying to clean them properly. They were not very soaked with soap, so I just used a brush. The other time I think I had used a toothbrush to just remove the stubborn parts, but I just used a brush and they were clean, clean, clean.
You walking in the distance, but I know that it's
The other parts that I took care of are my toilet and the floors. For the toilet, I used Harpic to clean it, and then for the floor, I used this scoring powder, and I was using the Morning Fresh one. And let me tell you, I just hate its smell, and once it's over, I don't think I will buy it again. I would rather use bleach to clean up. Forgive my camera, I don't know what are these black parts that keep appearing in the video, and I don't even know when they were captured. I'm really sorry about that.
my heart rages around like an ocean in my head. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that it's not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, no.
The last thing I did is just wiping off the water in the bathroom. My daughter nowadays uses our toilet, so I have to keep the bathroom dry to just avoid some accidents or falling off.
Find you in my
After all was done, it was now time to return everything back to its place. And of course, these items were dusty like the containers. So I just wiped all of them using this wet cloth. And I think that was it with the bathroom cleaning.
Let's take it slow. Where you go, I go too. And if you hit the bottom, I'm going down with you. Let's take it slow. Who cares where we gotta be? You know you'll have a good time wherever you're with me. Let's take it slow. guess you don't know how. You say we're taking on water, yeah, we're sinking now. You're looking all concerned, like we're gonna drown. But we both know how to swim, no worries, let's flow for now. Let's take it slow, where you go, I go too. And if you
That is how everything turned out. The clothes are hung, the bathroom is clean, and I was very satisfied. In case you have watched this video up to this point, may God bless you for showing your support. Enjoy your Valentine's Day. Bye bye.